Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we are going over the Nexbox token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now on Pinksale.finance. They're doing very well right now. They've sold well over 300 BNB worth of tokens already. They have lots of good security on this token. The Seifu badge, audit, KYC, etc. Lots of socials. There's still over half a day left to go for this pre-sale, so you got a lot of time to go check it out. But we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, Nexbox makes the crypto transaction simple. On-chain escrow, never again lose money because of incorrect addresses. Mobile application launch, OTC NFT trading platform, wallet linker, renounced contract, Seifu and audited, KYC'd, 0% tax, experienced team, no private sale, quick listings on DEX tools, trending on launch, huge marketing campaign, central exchange listings, best 25 Twitter KOLs and 20 big influencers, DEX tools trending, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko fast tracked, backed by huge whales, 20% of raised funds used for buyback. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. They set their soft cap at 50 BNB, and they've already sold 313.74 BNB worth of tokens. They are trending number 4 right now, doing very well. Besides that, 744 contributors have invested in this project. It's a public pre-sale, so anybody can get involved. It is going to end, though, exactly September 4th at 14 hours UTC time. So if you end up missing this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with a Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Nexbox token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, nexbox.co. You probably will not have to alter slippage too much because it says 0% tax. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 368 days. Now there's a total supply of 10 million Nexbox tokens, 9 decimal places on this token. According to their token metrics pie chart, 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 11.76% of the tokens go to liquidity, 12% go to advisory reserve, 10% development reserve, 10% central exchange reserve, 8% marketing and partnerships, 17.64% ecosystem reserve, 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a quick audit by Cyberscope in the discussion section. You can also check out their full KYC, Seifu badge, and audit at the top of the page. The quick audit has one warning on it. It says transfers are initially disabled. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. Investigate this token before getting it. As always, you do not want to get scammed. So warnings are there for a reason. So just be aware of that warning there. Now, if you want to find all the info on Nexbox, go over to nexbox.gitbook.io/whitepaper. That's going to have all the information there. It says, welcome to Nexbox, making crypto transactions reversible. We solve pervasive difficulties and problems in the crypto sector while keeping things straightforward and secure, making life much simpler for everyone involved. Nexbox offers services and products with a distinct personality that delivers straightforward innovation and usability to enterprises and end consumers alike. We solve pervasive difficulties and problems in the crypto sector and keep things straightforward and secure, making life much simpler for everyone involved with a strong sense of community ingrained in our hearts and the project's goal, as well as personal roots in trading, investors, and enthusiastic communities. We can effectively anticipate and respond to the demand of our audience. So they have on-chain escrow. The Nexbox chain escrow service allows reversible transactions and thereby offers an unprecedented level of comfort and trustless safety in routine crypto transfers and transactions. They have the other services here, Nexbox services, so OTC and NFT trading platform. That is a peer-to-peer service with inclusion of OTC trading, future mainnet capabilities, and standalone services. They also have everyday tools. There's a bunch of those that you could check out. There's the approval tracker. There's also a wallet linker. All sorts of cool stuff here. Nexbox business solutions. Nexbox investment platforms. They have transactionless governance. Everyday tools for businesses. They have the token, of course. And the token utility, there's going to be reduced fees, in-wallet staking. So you're going to be able to stake the token. There's liquidity provider bonuses, long-term bonuses, payouts, governance, all sorts of cool stuff here. Weighted voting. They have a marketing strategy on here. They have a roadmap on their paper. So phase 1 is going to be Nexbox initial idea, team alignment, concept building, website development, white paper creation, product development, marketing collaboration. Phase 2 is going to be contract, SAFU and audited, KYC, marketing, ICO on Pinksale. So that's where we're at right now. Coming up next is going to be decentralized exchange listing, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing, central exchange listings, phase 3. Nexbox product launch, mobile application launch, OTC, NFT trading platform, wallet linker, governance launch, tools update V2, and then a new roadmap. V2 of the roadmap is coming out. So check out this token on Pinksale. They're trending right now, doing very well. And then check them out after that on PancakeSwap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.